Want to scan music files with MusicBrainz Picard? The scan feature uses acoustic fingerprints to identify your songs, making it especially useful when your files have missing or incorrect metadata. In this guide, I'll show you how to scan music files with MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Files or Add Folder to import the music you want to identify. You can scan individual songs or complete albums. Next, wait for MusicBrainz Picard to finish loading your files. Once the file names change from gray to black, they're ready to be processed. This ensures the application has finished reading your music files before scanning begins. Now select the files or album you want to identify and click Scan on the toolbar, or choose Tools and then Scan. MusicBrainz Picard creates an Acoust ID fingerprint for each track and searches the MusicBrainz database for the best matching album. Review the matched album and track information to make sure everything is correct. If a track doesn't match properly, you can manually move it to the correct album before saving. Checking the results helps ensure your music receives accurate metadata. Finally, click Save to write the updated metadata to your music files. Depending on your settings, MusicBrainz Picard can also rename files, organize folders, and save album artwork automatically. And that's how to scan music files with MusicBrainz Picard. Using the scan feature is one of the fastest ways to identify songs with missing or incorrect tags and keep your music library accurate and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.